नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है टीपीएम अवेयरनेस सेशन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे के लॉस फॉर स्टार्टअप लॉस। उसके बारे में हम आज डिस्कस करेंगे। सो योर मशीन इज रनिंग बट यू आर स्टिल लूजिंग मनी। फर्स्ट 10 minutes is equal to pure loss. This is startup loss, the most ignored factory problem. Most factories focus on breakdown and tool change, but they ignore this hidden loss. After every startup, morning machine start, tool change, maintenance, production is unstable, parts get rejected, time is wasted. Startup loss means time and quality loss from machine start until stable production is achieved. So simple language, machine start but perfect production takes time. In Shock Observer, for example, if we taking the real Shopfloor example, in Shock Observer front fork line, oil not stable, damping force variation, air bubble, rejection, torque variation, leakage. First few parts not okay, this is pure loss. The impact on OE, startup loss affects all three parameter parts of OE, availability, delay in production, performance, low speed, quality, rejection. So it directly reduces your productivity. So what are the root causes? Why this happens? No standard startup process, wrong parameter setting, tool jig not set properly, operator dependency, machine not warm up. These are common but costly mistakes. Here's how to reduce startup loss. Standard startup SOP, step-by-step check sheet before production. First piece approval. Don't start mass production without OK parts. Parameter standardization. Fixed setting like torque, pressure, oil level. Pre-start check. Tool, material, machine ready. Simple action that is affecting the big results. So we reduce startup time from 20 minutes to 5 minutes, and the results is less rejection, faster production, high OEE. This is a real improvement. So startup loss is a hidden loss, but if you control it, you can significantly improve productivity. So thank you very much. If you found this useful, like, comment, subscribe for more TPM and OE tips. Next video, KK loss 5, minor stoppage and handling loss. Don't miss it. Thanks. Meet again in the next session.